Bunny, cute bunny, it's eating, and the squirrel eating the peanut, and bunny is scared, went out, and the squirrel. Okay, he came to eat some peanut. Okay, I never thought bunnies eat peanut, but I saw them eating them.